Hi everybody. This is one of my favorite projects that we're going to do for the Outdoor Challenge. After I'm looking at them, I'm kind of thinking we could be calling them the Easter egg trees. But I want to talk to you real quick about how to get this project started. After this segment in the video, I'll be talking about how to make the Y trees. A lot of you that are students of mine have already done that with me. But the design in this is what's so fun, and it's almost a good math practice too. The first step is you're going to draw your trees in using the Y tree method that I'll talk about in a little bit. But then you use crayons and you create, let's say, pick a number. I picked 5, so I made 5 trees, and each tree, hopefully you can see this here, has rows of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of yellow. Then we do 5 pink zigzags. Then we do 5 green. And I continue all the way up the tree. And that tree that's brown has the same pattern all the way up. Then this tree I drew with a different color. And then I chose different colors to go with that in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just repeat that pattern in stacks of 5. So it's a good counting and a good pattern exercise too, that will just help you add to that. What I did was all of that with crayon. If you have beeswax crayons, they're the very, very best. They resist the most, I feel. It doesn't mean it's right. It just means that that's how I feel that it works the best. And then I watercolored over the top. Now here's the key. Keep your background very, very light. Don't let your background get dark. Your trees then can be pretty dark, and then you can see the darker your paint and the harder you press with your crayon, the more your pattern will stand out, which is what you want. And that's how, I guess, you'll get your Easter egg tree, I guess I'm going to call it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys real quick how to make, I call them Y trees. Most of my students, you've seen me do this, but just a little review if you're doing this project, how to make a Y tree. So, I tell everybody, make a Y. Hopefully you can see the Y. Put a V in the middle, make a Y. Put a V in the middle, make a Y. Put a V in the middle, make a Y. Put a V in the middle till you get to the edge of the page. You just kind of repeat this pattern, and that kind of helps remind kids, or remind you if you're a kid watching, to constantly be dividing your tree. Okay? So I'll do it one more time. Make a Y. Put a V in the middle, make a Y. Put a V in the middle, make a Y. Put a V in the middle. And then you can also now add in the little Y's, which are the little branches that come off of your trees. And you can just keep doing this and doing this. And when you're sitting out here, I don't know if there's my inspiration, all those trees out there. So Y trees, and just remember that pattern. Make a Y. Put a V in the middle, make a Y. Put a V in the middle.